Pag sinabi nilang the call time is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. you are a Miss Grand International candidate. That's really how professional they are. And from the very first day, dance rehearsal. Agad. That's why they have a lot of fun activities. We have a lot of dancing, we have a lot of singing. I even joined Grand Voice, even if I'm not a singer. I even got into the third round, so that's part of allowing the candidates just to be themselves. I'm not a singer and I feel like this is fun. Everybody's joining. Of course, I know there's a lot of Filipinos who sing so well. Then again, I hope hindi ko po kayo nabigo sa pagkanta ko doon. So that's one of the activities of Miss Grand International. Coming to our rehearsals, pag sinabi nilang the call time is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. we start. 7:01 you're late. There's gonna be a little bit of banishment. So squats kami, a little bit of exercise, planking. If you're late, so you have to be really disciplined when it comes to your time. So another one quality that you have, you are a Miss Grand International candidate. And from the very first day, of activity, dance rehearsal. Agad. For the production, that's why production of Miss Grand, I didn't know that. That's how clean the production is. The very first day pa lang, you do the rehearsal already. Dance rehearsal, they teach you at least half of the dance, and then they select the girls like an audition.